Basically, you would come and make a shape like this. You might want to, let's say, round a corner, or just get a little bit of a tool mark off. It's fine for that kind of stuff. It's not for something like this, okay? It's not a finishing tool like that. In fact, the only grit sandpaper we even have for it is 80 grit. So it's like a little grinder tool, more than a finishing tool. But it'll remove some material, and then you'll take your file or your sandpaper and love it and finish it up. It's pretty loud and it's pretty dusty. The tool should always have the dust collector on. Okay, it's for wood only. Metal, any kind of metal, like hardware that you have in here, or trying to use metal to grind on it, will send sparks into the dust collector and start a fire. Okay, that's a serious fire hazard. Same thing with this support table. If the support table, you can change the angles and stuff at it if you wanted to. And when you do that, if you did that, let's see, higher or something like that, to get some sort of angle, and you had it too close in and it caused sparks, that could be another problem. If you adjust it, it's too far out, you can get pulled in here. And it's a sander, but it's no joke because, I'll turn it on for you, I'll turn it loud. Work for that plywood, okay? Trying to do something like this, and it throws it down, is going to be a mess. Trying to use a tiny little piece in here, you get caught in there, and you can't come out. I've seen that happen when I was in school in California. Kid got his hands caught in there, and just screaming, "Please turn this off!" The sander, and it's a rough one. So you don't want that to happen. Yeah.
Did he really say please?
He said, I think he did actually, please.
I like that. I would substitute another word for that, I think.
Yeah. So, all joking aside, really, it's a serious machine. And this is where, if you got bracelets on, or whatever, your hair's too long, or your shirt's too whatever, or your scarf, any of these moving parts, in you go.
Is there an emergency shut off? Just wait.
That's it. Best way, don't let it happen, okay? Anyway, so that's how you do it. This thing, you know, if you had another piece, you had to be out here. It works on this side. The rotation, you can see the rotation goes like this. So you're going to work it probably right here, not over here. If you're over here, it's going to more likely fly up. The dust will certainly fly up. So that this will hold it down, and push it into the support table. Okay. So anyway, it's a little bit loud, but it's nice for rounding this stuff off. But it's not a sculpting machine. It's kind of a round in the corners, getting a couple of tool marks off machine, and then if you want to put a little real smooth on, you go to the files, go to our own sandpaper or a power sander you hold by hand. All right. And then this thing is what's called a spindle sander. Up and down it goes. This one, we're getting in there. It's not very aggressive, so it would take a long time. And with both these sanders, you know, I see people thinking they're going to get a lot better job out of it. They're just driving it in here, pushing hard. That actually doesn't work. It's better to just have a light touch, and the sandpaper will actually do a better job.